In this video, I want to show you how to remove audio from any video in CapCut. And it's important to know the reason why someone may want to remove audio from video. For instance, if you have a copyright issue on a particular video, you may want to remove the audio from the video and do voiceover on the video to remove the copyright issue. And secondly, if there is any mistake on the video, you may choose to remove the audio from the video and do voiceover again. There are many reasons you may want to remove audio from your video. Now let me show you how to do it in CapCut. So let's bring in a video to demonstrate it. Let me load in this. Click on open. Yes, let's add it to timeline. Yes, I have this video here. I will play it just for a few seconds for you to listen to the audio in the video.
In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to install CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2024.
Yes, you can hear the audio in the video. Now let's assume you want to remove the audio from this video. Maybe you want to remove it and do another voiceover on the video. So to do that is quite simple in CapCut. Add your video to timeline. Then right click on the video and you can see separate audio, and also you can use Ctrl plus Shift S. So if you click on separate audio, you can see that it has separated the audio from video. Now if you highlight the audio separated, there are adjustments you can make to it. For instance, if you want to reduce the volume, for example, if the audio is too loud and you want to reduce it, just highlight it and you can reduce the volume here by clicking and dragging to reduce the volume to the left. So, however, if you want to remove it completely from the video, as you have separated it, you can just right click and delete, just like this. So you have deleted the audio from the video, or you have totally removed the audio from the video. So now this video now is without audio. If I play it, you cannot hear anything. So now you can do a voiceover to correct any error or the reason why you want to remove the audio from the video. So in short, this is how to remove audio from any video in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching.